Hey everyone. If your LinkedIn connection requests are not sending, getting ignored, or showing errors, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix LinkedIn connection request problems in 2026. First, remember that LinkedIn has a weekly limit on connection requests. If you send too many, your requests may stop working temporarily. Next, withdraw old pending requests. I mean, having too many unanswered requests can reduce your ability to send new ones. Always send connection requests with a personal note. This increases acceptance rate and helps avoid restrictions. Make sure your account is verified. I mean, unverified accounts may face limits or restrictions on sending requests. Avoid sending too many requests in a short time. LinkedIn may flag your account for spam activity if you do that. Also check your internet connection or app performance. I mean, technical issues can sometimes prevent requests from being sent. If your account is temporarily restricted, wait for a few days. LinkedIn usually removes the restriction automatically. So yeah, that's how you fix LinkedIn connection. Request problems in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you'll be able to connect with people smoothly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more LinkedIn tutorials for fast and easy fixes.